Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a handmade book or an art journal, and it is dedicated to one of the best criminal writers, I think, to Dorothy Sayers, and to the book which is called The Nine Tailors. And for those of you who have read the book, you know that the Nine Tailors are the names of the 9 bells. So throughout the book you will see little dedications to the bell music, and since that is a criminal novel, this art journal also has his own mystery, and all will be revealed as we slowly work through the book. This art journal has 7 signatures, so it's really thick. See, it's like my palm. And I have included all types of papers, vintage papers, watercolor papers, cardstock, vellum, and I made this lovely spine. It is a rounded spine, and the signatures are all sewn in, so they are not going anywhere. You can open the book, you can draw in it, paint in it, the signatures will stay in place. So let's delve into the book. I started with 2 pictures of the author of the criminal novel. So this is Dorothy, and 2 different ages, and you can use the cards, of course, in your mixed media projects, but it is just included here as a dedication to the author. And throughout the book you will see different tag spots, different vintage posters, vintage postcards, pieces of fabric, envelopes with vintage papers for you to write on. And this is the first indication what the secret of the book is. So it's about Dorothy Sayers, the Nine Tailors book. Can you tell yet what it is? Okay, let's move on. So I have included a lot of tags in this book because they are my favorites to use in mixed media projects. Another little secret piece. There are a lot of vintage papers, bookmarks, and another little secret thing. So let's take it out for a moment. I really enjoy working with real vintage book pages, so I've included a couple of pieces in this journal too. Another piece. What could it be? I really like this page. I included a little printout. This turns out is how bell music is written down, and it looks absolutely gorgeous, doesn't it? Another little pieces of bell music. Lots of tags. As I said, I love tags, so I've included a lot of them in this book. Nice little tag spot here, and another little secret piece. Tag spots for you, for your lettering. This is a couple of quotes, really nice quotes from the book. And what they, for example, the one says perfectly, "I'm terrific success at pottering around, asking sloppy questions, and I can put away quite a lot of beer in a good cause." So here are some quotes to inspire your art journaling, all from the same book, the Nine Tailors book. And this is the original look of the first edition of the book. And another little piece. More tags, more secret spots for your lettering. Some colored paper in there too. Just some envelopes for your secrets. There are some really nice, thick, almost cardstock pages. These lovely designs which will serve as base for your mixed media piece. And another little piece. Some nice, very thick cardstock. More tags. There are never enough tags. And another little secret piece. Some more original book pages. And one more piece. A beautiful sheet of bell music. Doesn't it look gorgeous? And since this is a book with a secret where you have to put your own puzzle together, I have also included puzzle pieces which can serve as a great base for your mixed media pieces, or they on their own or all put together, because all of these they put together as one puzzle. And one more piece. I really like these. These are real vintage vellum pages. 2 different colors. And then, since we were trying to find some clues in this book, have we found the key to the secret of this book? This is from a hotel, an old key, don't even know where I have it from. One of my favorite touches is this little paper doll here. So let's have one more look at this gorgeous, sumptuous spine. And now we come to the fun part. Remember this? And remember the little pieces. Look what they do. Can you hear the click? The delicious click when they fall in place? We are slowly changing the look of the book. And one more click. I just love how they fall in place on their own. And now we have changed the book. It looks like a totally different book. And those pieces are not going anywhere. They're held in place with magnets, so they stay in place. You can do whatever you want with the book and they will stay in place. So I hope you enjoyed this art journal. And it inspires you too to do something creative with the cover of your art journal. And if you like this book and you would like to see more art projects like that, please press subscribe and press the like button underneath this video. And I hope to see you back soon. Bye bye.